Hey everyone! Today we're taking a trip to West Africa with a dish that's as vibrant and flavorful as the culture itself, Nigerian Jollof Rice. Now, Jollof Rice is a big deal in West Africa, and there's a friendly rivalry, some might say war, about who makes the best version. But today we're focusing on the Nigerian twist. This isn't just rice, folks. It's a one-pot explosion of savory, spicy, and smoky goodness. We're talking fluffy, perfectly cooked rice infused with a rich tomato base and a kick of scotch bonnet pepper. Let me show you what makes this dish so special. The key is in the aromatics. We've got beautifully caramelized onions, plump juicy tomatoes, and a hint of smoky heat from the peppers. This gets blended into a smooth paste that's the heart and soul of the jollof rice. Then comes the magic. The tomato base gets simmered low and slow, releasing all its flavor. Spices like thyme, curry, and nutmeg add another layer of complexity. Now, the rice. Nigerians love their jollof rice with a little something extra on the bottom, a crispy, slightly caramelized layer we call the party. Finally, the reveal. Look at that beautiful color, a deep, rich red that screams flavor, and that aroma, intoxicating. But the real test is in the taste. Oh man, this is good. The rice is perfectly cooked, fluffy yet with a satisfying bite. The tomato sauce is bursting with flavor, tangy, savory, with a hint of sweetness. And that little kick of spice? It just wakes up your taste buds without overwhelming them. It's important to note that jollof rice is more than just a dish. It's an experience. It's a party in your mouth, a celebration of West African cuisine. It's perfect on its own, but even better with fried chicken, plantains, or a simple salad. So if you're looking for a flavorful, exciting new dish to try, look no further than Nigerian Jollof Rice. I guarantee it'll become a new favorite. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious discoveries. Let me know in the comments below what dish you'd like to see next.